Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Reverse Seared Duck Breasts. Okay, I'm bringing to you guys today one very simple but important message, and that is do not sleep on duck meat because it is delicious. Now in years past, we have done a duck confit video, and I love duck confit. It just melts in your mouth, full of that duck fat flavor. But the duck confit relies on the legs and the thighs, whereas what we're doing today is cooking the duck breasts. So duck breasts almost eats like a steak. It's incredible. You're gonna cook it less than you would normally think to cook a bird, which is gonna feel weird, but you can trust me on this, it's gonna be all right. And then the other thing to know about duck breasts is the skin has tons of fat in them, and duck fat flavor is delicious. So we're gonna get started by seasoning up these duck breasts. So we're starting out with our duck breasts. They're boneless. Obviously the skin is on. This is that really thick, fatty skin we were talking about. Each one of these weighs in at roughly half a pound. So what we're gonna do here is typically the best way to cook a duck is to sear the fat in a skillet. We're gonna do that, we're gonna finish that way, but we're first gonna give it a good hour to soak up some smoke. So we wanna get this thing seasoned up with one of our favorite rubs, using the Cattleman's Roadhouse. This is kind of a beef and steak rub, but as I said before, this duck breast almost eats like steak. It's pretty cool. So a steak rub works really well in this application. We just give this a few minutes for this rub to kind of tack up, make sure it's fully attached. Let's go check out the grill. But today we're cooking on the Yoder Smokers YS480S pellet grill. We're running hickory pellets at 150 degrees. Now the reason we're cooking so low, 150 degrees, is because these breasts are relatively thin, and we need to get them to an internal temperature of about 125 to 130 for finishing. So if we cook this any hotter, these are going to be fully cooked before we actually get to sear them. So what we're trying to do right now is just, you can see all this smoke that's coming out at 150. We're going heavy on the smoke for 1 hour, and then we're going to sear. Go ahead and insert a probe just so we can keep our eyes on it. Now while the duck is smoking, we're going to put together a really easy, like a creamy honey mustard sauce to go with our duck. But it starts with a tablespoon of Duke's mayo. We're gonna add to that a tablespoon of our Kozlik's Dijon. So in the duck, what we've got going on flavor-wise right now is a lot of savory, a lot of earthy. After that Dijon, we're also gonna do our triple crunch, which is essentially just like pickled mustard seeds. These are little flavor bombs is what they are, just bursting with that pickled mustard flavor. And then we're gonna finish this off with a teaspoon of hot sauce. Of course, that's optional, but I'm gonna use one of the great ones, the Heat Mavericks Anti-Gravity. Medium heat level. So what you're getting in here, you can see, is creaminess. We've got tanginess from the mustard. And then the last thing we gotta get is a little bit of sweetness from our honey. Using the Kansas wildflower honey. So sweet and tang to complement or to contrast all of that smoky, savory, earthy flavor going on, especially in that rub. You know, chipotle, onion, roasted garlic. So we're gonna balance it all out here. Let's see if that needs anything. Just the right amount of sweetness, balanced with the tang, a little bit of heat to it. That's all exactly where it needs to be. We're 1 hour into this smoke now, and the internal temperature on our duck breast is at about 100 to 105. We're gonna finish off at about 125. But like I said, we wanna do that with a high heat sear. And one of the things we gotta do to prep for that sear is we gotta score into this fat on the skin so that that fat can render out, and then we're going to use that fat to actually baste the duck breasts as they're cooking. Now you could do this before the cook if you like, but really I didn't want to lose any of that fat just for the little bit that might render out while it's smoking. So I'm waiting until now and just use a very sharp knife to score it down into that skin and into that fat. And then as we get these scored, they're going skin side down into my 12-inch cast iron skillet. We're going to start that skillet cold. We're going to pop the door out of this diffuser and crank the heat all the way up and get a really nice sear on here. Reset the grill here for a direct grilling setup. Place the skillet right over the flame and crank up the temp. 600. So in just a few minutes time, you can see how much fat is already starting to come out of our duck breasts. And what we want to do as this fat starts to pool in the bottom is we're going to use it to actually kind of baste over the top of our duck breasts. We're essentially going to be able to cook it from the top and the bottom at the same time while also completely covering our duck breasts in duck fat. I mean, this is like maybe 5 minutes since we flipped these to the skin side, and that is an insane amount of fat that's coming out of these breasts. Can't let it go to waste. Gonna keep on basting, cooking away. We'll check the temp here. We're aiming for about 125 on the internal temperature. So we've reached that 125 on 3 of these. Boy, look at that. That beautiful sear. We're just gonna give it about 30 seconds on the opposite side. Doesn't need long, and then we'll pull these off. We've got all this great fat left over, and while there's too much of it in there right now, I'm gonna save a little bit back, and we're gonna cook some veggies in here to go with our duck. We've got some cipollini onions, they're just kind of quartered, some parboiled fingerling potatoes, little purple cauliflower, and some oyster mushrooms. Got all those seasonings rocking around in there right now too, so we'll probably only need to hit this with a little bit of salt in the end. Just get them coated in that duck fat. We'll just close up the lid and let these roast in here while the duck breast is resting. Move them off a little bit more indirect. So these have been resting for not very long, maybe about 5 minutes now, just long enough to kind of let that meat relax, the juices run back to where they belong. Let's check out the center of that. Nice. We should have just a little bit of pink right in the middle. Look at those juices running. Crazy juicy. You can hear the crunch on the underside of that skin. See if they're softened up. Oh yeah, that looks good. Smells amazing. Hit it with just a little bit of salt here. Soaked up all that duck fat. It's gonna go beautifully. Get some potatoes and onions, cauliflower and mushrooms down here on the plate. Fan out our duck breasts on top. And then just a little drizzle of that honey mustard over everything. Kind of dress it up. And top it off with a little microgreen. You've got yourself a pretty fancy little barbecue dinner right there. Let's get a bite. So good. I just love that duck fat flavor. Just coats your mouth. You got great crunch from the skin. I'm tasting the smoke. I'm tasting the mustard. That mustard's just the right amount of sweet to balance out all the savory that's going on, because it's got just a little bit of salt and heat to it as well. certainly not something you want to overcook. So I know that 125 to 130 might feel weird for you since you're eating a bird and not a steak, but it eats like a steak and it eats really great at that temperature. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.